Hafiz says, while praying, he gets these ideas. And these ideas are about, I am concentrating in my salat. This salat would erase my sins. Allah would love me for perfecting my prayer. Is this something to be afraid of? Also, when at school and there is a mathematical problem and he solves it, he feels smart and his friends probably look at him with praising looks and complimenting him. Is there anything wrong? This is human nature. See, you have to be balanced. And you cannot simply block any good feeling you get. When I perform Umrah, and I finish my Umrah and I shave my head, I feel satisfied. I feel content. And this is what the Prophet ﷺ used to feel when he prays. He says, وَجُعِلَتْ قُرَّةُ عَيْنِي فِي الصَّلَاةِ. My satisfaction was placed in prayer. Which means that whenever he prays, he gets the feeling of satisfaction, of fulfillment. So should one say, oh, this is from shaitan, I have to seek refuge in Allah Azza wa Jal, I have to feel humility? No, this is a positive feeling, providing it does not push you to arrogance or to discredit those who don't share your feelings. So you think of them as being a lower class to you because you are, mashallah, whoa, someone of great prominence at the side of Allah. The Prophet ﷺ was once asked, O Prophet of Allah, we do good deeds and people praise us for it. So what to do? I helped a blind man cross the road and people praised me and said, mashallah, you do a lot of good deeds, blah, blah, blah. And I felt good for doing good deeds. So the Prophet said to them, تِلْكَ عَاجِلُ بُشْرَ الْمُؤْمِنِ. He said, there's no problem. What you've heard is the glad tiding coming to you early from Allah Azza wa Jal for your good deeds. My intention was not to impress people. My intention was to do it for the sake of Allah. If people praise me for that, there's nothing wrong. If I get a fulfillment feeling and I feel proud and happy because of my prayer is perfect, this is also permissible, inshaAllah.